this is Dali the photographer. I'm here to present the new fashion editorial I shot recently that was featured on L'Officiel. And I promise I will get a microphone soon, so please bear with me with the audio. This project was shot on the Hasselblad 907X, so I was hoping that this project will be a good reference of how good the 907X is. This project was shot in Victoria Beach in Laguna Beach, California. I was hoping for a cloudy day, and luckily we got one. And many of the concerns for people to get the Hasselblad 907X was the low light performance. And I'm happy to report that the 907X performed really well in low light conditions. It was a very cloudy day and it wasn't the perfect lighting by any means. However, it was the kind of vibe that we're aiming for, which was the gloomy, kind of moody kind of vibe. And as you can see, the camera performed really well in terms of getting the shadow details as well as the highlight details. And sometimes I'll need to actually blur out the sky a little bit to make it intentionally more exposed, just to be able to create the kind of contrast that I wanted. The concept of this project was fairly simple. We wanted to feature some classic and timeless pieces. At the same time, we wanted to intertwine with a very casual and free spirit kind of vibe. One big challenge was that you never know what the weather is going to be like on a beach in Southern California, especially in wintertime. And it was a challenge to keep all the photos consistent according to the mood board that we originally set. And I'm glad to report that the team was very happy about what we got in the end. So I hope you like the photos from this project. And if you do, please leave a like and comment. Thank you.